For years, building a mobile app felt like climbing a peak you couldn't reach without spending serious time mastering specific programming languages. That reality is changing fast. Replit now offers a way to create, test, and actually release real mobile apps simply through conversation. You explain what you need, and the platform takes care of the back end, the front end, and the complex build pipelines that usually cause frustration. Today, we'll walk through how a basic concept becomes a functional app on your phone. We'll create a project management tool, watch it operate on a real device, and guide you through the process of getting it published on the App Store. So to kick things off, we're jumping straight into the Replit interface. It's laid out cleanly and everything runs through a chat-based workflow. You describe what you want to create in plain English, and the AI converts those instructions into apps that are ready to publish. For this build, we're specifying a full project management platform. We're outlining clear requirements, a dashboard that gives a complete overview, tools to manage multiple projects, a dedicated task section, and a user account area. The moment we submit that prompt, the left panel begins showing activity. That's the Replit agent stepping in. Behind the scenes, it's configuring the workspace, installing the required mobile frameworks, and organizing the database structure. You can follow each phase as it unfolds, from initializing React Native components to implementing the navigation flow that connects different screens. As this runs, it's clear how refined the workflow has become. It's assembling a unified application structure. Over on the right, the preview panel displays the result once the initial build completes. Our project management app presents a clean and refined interface right from the start. It begins with a structured sign-up flow, showing that user security has been thoughtfully addressed. That's reassuring. The dashboard serves as the central hub of the experience. A clearly visible Create Project button stands out immediately, guiding users toward the next logical step. Once selected, a new project automatically comes with a workflow organized into To-Do, In Progress, and Completed columns. Inside each project, users can create individual tasks, assign responsibility, and move them across these stages as work advances. This reflects how teams actually operate day to day. The system accurately defines the relationship between a project and a task, recognizing that tasks belong within their specific projects. It also establishes data persistence logic, ensuring that your work remains intact even after refreshing the page. Moving forward, viewing the app on a desktop monitor is helpful, but a mobile app doesn't truly exist until you're holding it in your hand. That's where the Expo Go integration really proves valuable during testing. Rather than connecting your phone to your computer with cables, Replit creates a QR code directly inside the workspace. To set it up, pick up your phone, open the App Store or Play Store, and install the Expo Go app. It works as a bridge between your project and your device. After launching the app and scanning the QR code from the Replit screen, the project management app we built appears immediately on your phone. This isn't just a browser preview or a responsive site, it's the real mobile app operating in a native environment. You can press the buttons, enter task names, and feel how the transitions respond to your touch. It's a practical way to notice small details like cramped spacing or tiny buttons. Testing live like this gives you real confidence before moving to formal publishing. Once you've run the app on your device and you're satisfied with its performance, the next phase is preparing it for distribution. Replit provides a guided publish-to-App Store process that handles much of the technical groundwork typically associated with release engineering. Rather than ensuring approval, the platform focuses on packaging and submitting your app in a way that follows Apple's standards. To begin, you connect an Expo account. Since Expo operates as the underlying framework, signing in with a free account lets Replit leverage Expo's build infrastructure to produce an App Store-ready build. This initial setup means you won't have to manually manage build variants, certificates, or provisioning profiles. You then link your Apple developer account, which requires a current Apple membership. After authentication is complete, Replit securely prepares the builds and submits them on your behalf. From that point, you select the Build and Submit option, and Replit manages the packaging and transfers the app directly to Apple's infrastructure. The build is delivered to TestFlight, Apple's official beta testing service, where you can invite testers and evaluate the app under real-world conditions. Once feedback has been reviewed and everything is confirmed, the final App Store submission is processed through App Store Connect. At this phase, Apple carries out its standard review, and the ultimate approval decision rests entirely on Apple. Replit's responsibility is to simplify the technical transition so your attention stays on launch readiness instead of release logistics. Ultimately, this platform represents a real turning point for anyone who has felt shut out of the mobile space. It transforms what used to be a complicated development process into a straightforward, guided conversation. If you have a business concept or need an internal tool for your team, there's no real reason to hold off. Try Replit today, create your first prototype, and experience what it's like to see your own app running on your phone. Check the description below to begin with Replit right now. We've included a referral link. You'll receive $10 in Replit credits when a friend signs up and upgrades to Replit Core using your link, and they'll receive $10 in credits as well. Don't wait, take advantage of it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.